Hey you guys, so time for a quick video, and this time I'm going to be doing a house tour, empty house tour of my new house. I'm so excited, you guys. Yes, it's a rental, but it is mine for the next year or however long the owners will allow me to lease it out. So I'm going to turn the camera around. We're going to get started. Sorry, child, I have to get JB out the back. I'm gonna make this my office. It's big enough space. This is gonna be my office. And this right here, I'm gonna turn into my little library. I ordered 2 green chairs from where? From Wayfair. It's gonna go here. I'm just gonna put all my books and stuff in this area right here. That's gonna take us to the kitchen, but we're gonna check out these back rooms. Now, I'm not feeling this carpet, so I'm definitely gonna get this carpet steamed before we officially moved in. And then back here is the laundry room. Pretty nice space. We have the guest bathroom, or basically JB's bathroom. And then we have 3 bedrooms. I was surprised by this. I thought there was only 3 bedrooms total, but this is a 4-bedroom house. So one of these is gonna be the guest bedroom, and then we're gonna have JB has nominated one of these as his gaming room because he has a lot of gaming stuff. And then another room is going to be his actual bedroom. One of the things I do like about these bedrooms is that the actual, Lord have mercy, the actual closets are like a semi walk-in closet, okay? So yeah, very nice, very nice. All right. I'm gonna go into, and this is just a closet. I will say the closets are fairly small, but that's okay. There's a lot of closets, that's all that matter. This is the kitchen. Absolutely love the dark hardware. I've been wanting to stick with dark cabinets because that white that we have now in our house, it is so hard to keep clean. You know, to stay clean. So I absolutely love the granite countertops. I love the dark hardware, the stainless steel appliances. Very, very, very nice. This is where I'm gonna put my dining room table at. It's kind of big. It can extend to 6, but I'm gonna only set it for 4. And then have some benches up here. And so this brings us to the living area. This is a great, fairly sized room, you guys. So I'm just gonna, from back here, you can see how big it is. So I have a fireplace, and this is kind of odd to me, but this little out layer, it looks like where you could put your TV at. So I'm thinking our couch is more than likely going to go, I don't know. I don't even really watch TV that much, but the couch, it's gonna be open this way, and then I can have my record players and stuff over here, which is nice. Now I do have some curtains, but I don't wanna be making extra holes in the wall, but definitely, I don't know what was going on here. I think they used the wrong type of paint to cover this up, but I have a huge, what do you call it, wall collage that will cover all of this up, so you really won't even see that. This would be great during the holidays to decorate, but I'm gonna have, thinking that I wanna keep this open because I want you to be able to see, but I may put a plant or something on this side. And this brings us to my bedroom, which also has hardwood floors, which I love. So I did get a rug for my bedroom. So I'm still debating where to put my bed. Definitely gonna have my TV over here. I don't like putting TVs on walls, so we're not gonna do that. I did purchase a farmhouse TV stand, really, really cute. It's gray. So that's gonna go up here. I purchased a beautiful rug. And so I think I'm gonna have my bed over here. It's king size, so it's gonna be a tight fit. But hey, that's what it is. It's gonna go over here. Now, technically it could go this way, you know what I mean? So I have enough room. But again, I want my TV on this wall. So yeah, this is what we're gonna do. I think it's enough room in here, actually, y'all, to include my Chester drawer over here. What am I trying to say? My blue desk with my makeup in this section, because this room is a good size for that. And this is the actual what am I gonna say, bathroom. I'm not really a fan of the white, but this is an older house. This house is 20 years old. But again, I love the actual floors. I'm finding stuff to love about it, okay? But I love the overall feeling of it. And this is the actual closet. Perfect size for me. This would do, no complaints here, okay? There's a nice little backyard. This is the perfect size for JB and I, okay? It's the perfect size. So we already are moving in boxes. And so I'm so excited. So seeing this and getting the keys is making everything seem very real for us. So I'm super excited.